How to view connections activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view connections activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find history lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and now just click activity log and go down until you find connections, and then just click view connections. And as you see here, you can view your connections on Facebook Lite. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And see you in the next video.